Hello and welcome to Estimating Products. This is Chapter 9, Lesson 1, and you're listening to Grade 6 Mathcast with Mr. Burko from St. John Fine Arts School. We're talking about products here, but we're not talking about products like the type of product you'd buy in the store. These are products that you would get when you multiply two numbers. So as you might remember, a product is the result of a multiplication. So our goal today is to estimate products of decimal numbers using whole numbers. And in our book, we are talking about Ukrainian culture, and so I've got a couple of pisanki here, which are Ukrainian Easter eggs. We have students that are preparing for a multicultural presentation, and they are going to be making Ukrainian outfits. They want to know how much will the fabric and trim for 9 outfits cost, and each outfit requires 2.2 meters of fabric and 1.6 meters of trim. So we have 9 students because we're making 9 outfits. The fabric is $6.87 per meter, and each outfit is 2.2 meters required. The trim is 0.59 or 59 cents per meter, and what that is 1.6 meters are required for each outfit. And our turn, your turn, is going to be $6.87 is close to $7. We're rounding that up. In class today we talked about front-end rounding. Well, this is going to be nearest number rounding, so we're going to round it up to 7, and 2.2 is closest to 2. So how much will the fabric cost in total for 9 students? Pause the presentation and give it a shot. Welcome back. I hope you had a chance to figure out how much fabric will cost for the 9 students. There's a total number of fabric. This is what you should have done if you were calculating it. 2 meters times 9 students in total, and 2 meters of course is the amount for each outfit required of fabric. That equals 18 meters of fabric in total. The total cost is 18 meters multiplied by $7, which is the cost per meter that we decided over here, and that we rounded it up from $6.87, and the total is $126. Hopefully you got something close to that, or if not exactly. Okay, your turn. I would like you to give it a shot and see if you can figure out how much will the trim cost. So it's 59 cents. We're going to round that up to $1. We've got 1.6 meters of trim in each outfit, and we're going to round that up to 2 meters just to make it easy. So give it a shot. How much will the trim cost in total for all 9 outfits? Welcome back, and so if you wanted to figure out how much total trim you needed, you would multiply 2 meters by 9 students, so that means 18 meters of trim in total. And the total cost for that is, if we're rounding 59 cents up to $1, then it's 18 times 1, easy enough, $18. Now if we were to ask how much does it cost for one outfit, we know how much it costs for all of the kids to buy these outfits, but how much does it cost for one outfit? Then we're actually going to use a different operation. We're going to use division. And so we've got the fabric per student we discovered was $126. 9 different students, we're going to divide it by 9, and so that equals $14 per student for the fabric. The trim, we're going to use the same formula here. Trim is $18 in total for all of the students, but if we want to know what one student it costs, then we're going to divide it by 9. That gives us $2. So for each student, it is 14 plus $2. That equals $16 in total. Hopefully that was a quick revision. Now I want to remind you, in class today we talked about front-end rounding, and what that means is we don't round to the closest number, we round just to the first number. And in this case I didn't do front-end rounding, I did rounding to the closest number. Thanks for joining me for Estimating Products, and I'll see you next time.